My gosh, I made the game glitch so bad. Oh my, bro. Literally, it's just making this glitch. OMG. Wait. No! Where am I? No. Dang. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I made this. Glitch bad. Because what I did was I wanted to like get that truck to pull. Oh no. No. Don't tell me. My tractor pulling winch is gone. Like you just like literally see where my truck went. I went reverse. Poof. I went up in the air. So what I'm thinking is that tractor pull thing is in those trees. Stick it now. That's the tractor pulling sled. But you know what? Maybe something useful. Nothing. Well, I guess this doesn't work on the pulling sled plus the TLX22 series.